my dear students. I welcome you all to your Vedantu Commerce channel. This is Riddhi Sikri, your accountancy master teacher, and this is a session in which we are going to reveal an amazing surprise. जिसमें बेटा बातें होने वाली है कि ऐसे धमाकेदार सरप्राइज की which will make you all super happy. Yeah, तो ऐसा surprise which is going to make each one happy. All the commerce students, yes, here is the best badge, here is the best surprise for you all coming in this session. So start joining in, start coming in the session. एंड बात करने वाले हैं आज बहुत ही अमेजिंग बैच की. जी हाँ, दृष्टि कॉमर्स बैच. दृष्टि कॉमर्स इज द न्यू बैच विच इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 13th जुलाई. बेस्ट बैच ऑफ कॉमर्स, या सबसे अच्छा बैच पूरे यूट्यूब पर पूरे इंडिया में. जी हाँ, सबसे बेस्ट बैच कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, 11th स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हम लोग लेकर आ रहे हैं. इतना बढ़िया बैच है, इतना अमेजिंग बैच है. साथ के साथ इसके अंदर भी सरप्राइजेस हैं, एंड सरप्राइजेस के साथ साथ प्राइस देख के आप लोग हैरान हो जाओगे. इतना 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 अमेजिंग बैच है ये. जी हाँ, सो दृष्टि कॉमर्स बैच, कंप्लीट कॉमर्स प्रिपरेशन आप लोगों की होगी. 2025 बैच वालों के लिए ये है एक नया प्यारा बैच. जी हाँ, क्लास 11th स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या क्या होने वाला है बैच में, क्या क्या ब्यूटीज मिलने वाली है बैच में. ब्यूटीज मिलेंगे आपको, लाइव क्लासेस. जी हाँ, बिल्कुल लाइव क्लासेस बाय ऑल द मास्टर टीचर्स. तो पूरे तरीके से लाइव, टोटली लाइव क्लासेस बाय द मास्टर टीचर्स इन द लाइव क्लासेस. ऑफ कोर्स, instant doubt solving. If you have ever talked with any Vedantu students or the seniors or those who are studying in Vedantu right now, you can ask them. There is never a problem which is not sorted in the class or before the end of the class. So ji ha, instant doubt solving is done only in the Vedantu classes. This I promise you myself. Yeah, you are going to get a handwritten notes by master teacher. Proper handwritten beautiful notes will be given to you by master teacher. But don't forget, you have to maintain your own notes copy, maintain your own notes as well. But yeah, you have to refer master teacher's notes. They will be handwritten amazing notes will be given to you all in this amazing batch. Yeah, offline like supervision and discipline, proper supervision and discipline like offline. In the initial days only, we are going to provide you a proper schedule on which day, how many classes, at what time, so that you are ready to plan further, and you can also plan your timing for your extracurricular activities, or if you want to go to any party, if you want to go to anywhere, you can plan that, because we are going to provide you the proper plan, proper schedule on the very first day, that which class is on which day at what time. Yeah, so proper discipline and supervised classes you are going to get in this batch. Regular assignments and chapter wise test. On the basis of each and every session, there is a assignment which you have to complete before your next class. And yes, chapter wise test will be held every alternate Sunday, so be ready for that. Unlimited access to 50 plus popular ebooks, and you can also sit in all India test series. So these amazing features, tell me if anybody is giving you. No one can give you these amazing features in just one batch. Yeah, so yeah, this is the amazing batch. Let me introduce all the master teachers. Business studies will be taught by Shruti ma'am. Accountancy will be taught by Riddhi ma'am, which is sitting in front of you. Economics will be taught by Dimple ma'am. Yeah, so these amazing teachers are going to teach you in this Drishti batch. Let me tell you about all the teachers. This is Riddhi Sikri ma'am, which is me. I have been teaching from past 5 years. I have mentored many students, and I have helped them in boosting their marks. Of course, I am of course expert in accountancy. I have qualified BCom honors, B.Ed and MCom. Yeah, so this is my introduction. Let me tell you about Dimple ma'am. She has been teaching from past 9 years. She has mentored more than 7,000 students. She is a former NISM speaker. She has qualified UGC NET, PGPM and B.Ed examination. Yeah, so you are getting the super amazing teachers in this batch. Let me tell you about your BST master teacher, which is Shruti ma'am. She has been teaching from past 3 years. She has mentored more than 1,000 students. She has produced a top rank in CUET exam. She has qualified BCom honors from Delhi University. Yeah, so you are going to be taught by the super amazing teachers that I am promising you here. Yeah. So yeah, there is a one more surprise as well, which I'm going to tell you in bit more time. But before that, let me introduce you to the champions who have made us proud by each and every moment. है ना, ये वो प्यारे बच्चे हैं मैम. अब जो अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए वो प्यारे हो गए. नहीं, प्यारे तो सभी हो तुम लोग, बट ये वो बच्चे हैं जो हमें हर मिनट हर सेकंड जब जब इनकी याद आती है तब हम प्राउड फील करते हैं. जी हाँ. सो वी हैव प्रांशु हु हैज स्कोर्ड 98%, राघव हु हैज स्कोर्ड 97%, कीर्ति शी हैज स्कोर्ड 100 on 100 in BST, Suesh has scored 96.6, and Shreya, she has scored 95.8. With that, she got 100 and 100 in BST, साथ के साथ 100 और 100 in accounts. Yeah. तो बेटा जी, इन सभी बच्चों की एक बात बहुत सिमिलर थी कि ये लोग जब भी पढ़ाई करते थे ना, कंसिस्टेंट पढ़ाई करते थे. कभी ये इन्होंने नहीं बोला कि मैम हम आज नहीं पढ़े, हम एक वीक नहीं पढ़े, हमने बहुत टाइम तक स्किप कर दिया, हमने क्लासेस नहीं ज्वाइन किया. कभी भी ये बातें इन लोगों ने नहीं करी. ये हमेशा क्लासेस में आना, क्लासेस में पढ़ाई करना और एक रेगुलर तरीके से होमवर्क करना. राइट, नॉट स्टडिंग लाइक 8 to 10 hours, नेवर, बट एक रेगुलर तरीके से अपना फ्लो बनाकर अच्छा अच्छा होमवर्क करना. बस यही चीजें फॉलो करते गए और देखो जी, राइट, मेकिंग ईच वन ऑफ अस प्राउड इन दिस मोमेंट. या है कि नहीं? जी हाँ. तो आपके बैच के बारे में कुछ आप लोगों को बता दिया जाए. बैच नेम इज हिस्ट्री कॉमर्स बैच, एंड दिस इज अ इंग्लिश बैच. दैट मीन्स द मीडियम ऑफ लैंग्वेज, मीडियम ऑफ टीचिंग विल बी इंग्लिश. Right, what is the schedule? You are going to get classes on Monday at 7, and then at 8:45 BST and economics. Then Tuesday you just have one class at 8:45. On Wednesday you have class at 7 and 8:45. On Thursday you have class at 8:45 and 7. Yeah. And on Friday you have one class at 8:45 to 10 for accountancy. On Saturday you have class at 7 of your subject BST. Yeah, BST is the subject for which you have class on Saturday. Yeah, basically, yeah, the surprise is here, that you are going to get additional lectures of applied maths, but in recorded form. Don't forget that. You are going to get applied maths recorded lectures in this batch of BST Accounts Economics. You will be additionally getting recorded lectures of applied maths. Yeah. So 13th July is the orientation session, and your classes will start from 16th July. You still have time to join into the batch. Yeah. First week schedule, let me tell you, your first week we will start from accounting principles and accounting standards in accounting. And in BST, we will be starting with cooperative societies. That means forms of business organization is going on. Joint stock company and choice of forms of business organization. Then formation of a company, right? Important document of formation of a joint stock company. Then in economics, when you join, these chapters will be on elasticity of demand, right? Then price elasticity with degree, factors affecting demand and methods. So this is your schedule for the first week. If you get into this amazing, super surprising batch, which is going to get you the super amazing marks in any case. Yeah. So if you want to get into this amazing batch, you just have to click on the form in the description. Description mein jaiye, click on this form, fill your details, and you are into the batch. Right? So this much only we will be covering for today's class. I'll be seeing you all in the batches or in the upcoming classes. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and with that, don't forget to fill this form if you want to get into the super amazing batch of Drishti Commerce Vedantu class 11th students. Yeah, so take care of yourselves. So bye bye. I will be seeing you all in the next sessions.